Y'all know what to do. Smash the like button. Let's get this video to 50 likes. Can we do it? Yes, we can. So smash the like button and subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss every time of a new video. But other than that, enjoy the rest of the video. everybody, that wraps the video. Like I said in the beginning, can we get this video to 50 likes? Yes, we can. So smash the like button. It really helps out with the YouTube algorithm. So smash the like button and subscribe if you haven't already, and share this video with your friends and tell them to subscribe. It helps out with the channel massively. And comment what I joined. Don't forget to comment because I reply back to every single comment. Here's Mirko from My Hero Academia. Hope you enjoyed as much as I did. How I fun making it strong, and I really love how the outcome came out, especially with the pose. I think it came out super dynamic. But I really dislike drawing characters with hair like this. I think it's super annoying and it takes so much time, but I think it was worth it at the end of the day. So hope you enjoyed as much as I did. And if you want to see more of My Hero Academia drawings, let me know by smashing the like button. I'm going to be linking some drawing playlists in the description, which I highly recommend that you check out because I'm sure you'll find some anime characters that are drawn for you that may really like. So check it out since we in the description. And I also have a drawing playlist there for My Hero Academia drawings, so check it out. But yeah, everybody, hope you all enjoyed. Make sure to stay safe. Until next time, everybody, peace.